Actually, this recipe is my lola's recipe.
Oo nga. I was telling them it's your own Lola Nati's recipe.
Yes, I told her
So, tribute natin to sa kanya.
You have to cut it in chunk din.
Malalaking pieces.
Malalaking pieces. Kasi if you don't, mag-curl siya. Normally, gusto mo syempre ganyan lang ka-thin. Ang gagawin mo, isa-slice mo muna siya ng ganyan. So,
mas makapal.
Mas makapal. Good for 2 slices. You have to do that para it's heavy enough na hindi siya mag-curl.
Okay.
Hindi siya magbabaluktot. And then, pag
diretso pa rin siya.
When it's already semi-cooked but it's still tough, that's the time that you slice
Yun
it.
pala ang...
Para hindi siya kukulot.
Alam mo, nakikita ko parang simple lang gawin to.
I know. Sabi ko, ganyan lang pala kasimple yan.
Recipe.
I-heat ko yung aking oil. Ang secret dito, kailangan maraming onions. Ito yung nagpapatrap, white onions. So, lagay na natin to. When I did it the first time, sabi ko, bakit ganun? Parang ang daming onions. Tapos
Madidisintegrate rin siya.
Oo, and then after a while, because you're gonna boil it for a long time,
mawawala siya.
Magdidisintegrate siya, tapos dun siya sasarap. You can now add our Now we're excited na. Ngayon, gigising na kami na mas maaga. Instead of 9:30 to watch our show, we have to wake up at 8:30. Kasi, we just, heard na may bagong
Doktora,
TV
may bagong...
Yeah, si Doktora, may bagong TV show, yung Bello 101. Complete recipe na sila. Kasi, marunong na sila magpaganda para sa special sama nila. Tapos pagkatapos, di ba? Pagluluto pa nila. Pag hindi pa naman, ewan ko na.
Pag nag-stray pa yan, ewan ko na.
So, medyo gisang-gisa na yan, di ba? So, we will put a little bit of soy sauce.
Little bit pa lang.
Oo. Kasi baka ma-over tayo. At dun sa end, kasi this is our mechado, long process yan. So, yung end natin, dun mo hahabulin
yung lasa.
Yung lasa. Kasi mahirap pag nasobrahan.
Alam mo, konti lang ang ingredient list niya, short ingredient list. But you have to take pains in like, parang going back to it, putting sauce, diba? Yun yung medyo
hindi siya
matatagal.
pwedeng type na, because you want it to be really, really old school mechado. You want it to be like the way, like me, I want it to be like the way my lola makes it. Hindi siya pwedeng,
dapat malalim yung lasa.
Malalim and you can really taste it. Hindi pwedeng, you dump the meat, the sauce, and then some damakmak na tubig na water. Because that's what most people would do. Tatambakan na lang ng water, tapos babalikan na lang after 30 minutes.
Or ilalagay sa pressure cooker na lang.
Oo. Wow. This one, kailangan pa konti-konti ang lagay ng tubig. When you feel that it's kumukonti na, lagay ka ulit. We can add lang the meat.
Kaya si Chef Pam na lang magluluto nito para sa akin kasi hindi ako ganyan ka-patient.
But I would, for ito, yung nagulat pandaya ni Lola. Ito pala yung technique niya. Okay, so this is your mechado sauce in the pack. So,
sa pack siya.
Oo, naka-tetra pack siya.
Okay. Pandaya ni Lola Nati.
Oo. Sabi niya, madali lang yun, kaya pala madali. Dito pala galing
ang kanyang lasa.
Now, if you want to know kung ano yung brand na gamit ko, you have to
Chef Pam.
You have to email the show para we can tell you what brand. Ayan. So, we can add water. Okay, konti-konti muna. I-wait natin na mag-boil ito. Makita nyo, pa konti-konti ako maglagay ng water.
So, pag medyo nakita mo na nag-reduce na yung sauce natin and then we add a little more, no?
Hindi pwedeng, I'll dump a lot of water. Hindi, kailangan.
Patience, my dears.
So, pag medyo nakita nyo nag-reduce na siya, nag-thicken ng konti, lagay ulit tayo ng water. Patience is a virtue. Kailangan from time to time, hinahalo-halo siya kasi hindi pwedeng siya pambabayaan. Masusunog yung ilalim.
This one's simmering already. Kasi ang ano pa dito, masaklap pa dito, dapat low heat.
Low heat.
Masaklap no? It has to be low heat, but I'm sure the end product, we assure you, is going to make your husbands forget their other chiching.
Kasi, I mean, if it wasn't good, I wouldn't put my lola's name on it.
Oo nga.
Diba?
Chef, this has been simmering for a while, right?
Oo, nagsisimmer na siya. And if you would notice, nag-thicken na siya uli, di ba?
Yes.
So, we will add a little bit of water uli.
So this process will happen over and over.
Over and
Over again.
Until you get the desired tenderness that you get from the ano. Yung parang maghihiwalay na siya din sa ano.
Grabe. Sarap.
Mga ano na
Oh my
siya.
God, an hour and a half na siya nag-simmer.
An hour and a half.
Slow simmer na binabantayan, naglalagay-lagay tayo ng water.
So, lalagyan lang natin siya ng konting cheese.
Anong cheese yan, Chef?
Cheddar cheese lang. Yan.
Konti lang talaga.
Konti lang. It's up to them kung ano. Masarap din pag maraano. Tapos make sure na
Halo ng halo. Kasi remember, matagal siyang sinisimmer. So yung ilalim ng ating meat, baka masunog, diba? So we're gonna plate our machado. Lola Nati.
Hi, Lola! Yan.
Thank you for sharing with us your recipe.
Yung recipe ng ano, ng mechado.
Lagyan pa natin ng konting cheese. And that's Lola Nati's mechado. I hope she loves how we presented
I'm sure she will.
the recipe, di ba? Chef Pam will give us a mango jubilee recipe. So, eat you.